Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator to create any type of content for free and it will work amazing. Okay, so how we're gonna go about it? First thing, you wanna come on canva.com, you wanna log in to your account, then you wanna click on the upper left corner, click on the settings, and then click on discover apps. This is the landing page of discover apps. And now we're gonna come over here on the search bar and we're gonna type Magic Media. Okay, this is the app we're going to use because it's simple, it's clear, and it works very well. So when you come over here, you have two options to begin with. The first option is to create a brand new design out of nowhere from scratch, or you can use an existing design that you created in Canva, or you can upload something from your device. For this example, we're going to create a brand new design. In our case over here, we can actually create a, let's say, Instagram story. As you can see, every single individual content comes with its own aspect ratio and quality dimensions. If you click on Instagram story, right, you will have over here aspect ratio of a square image. But remember, for Instagram posts, square image is preferred, it's recommended, but for Instagram story we might want to go for portrait. This is how you change the aspect ratio and you check the aspect ratio, because the default settings are not always accurate on the app itself. The second thing you want to do before you inputting your prompt is to check the styles and to pick the right style for your image, for your design. We're going to create the Instagram story. I'm gonna opt in for the photo style, which is kind of additional layer on top of the original content. So for the prompt, you want to make sure you provide as many details as possible, so this will make your content even better. In my example, I'm going to create a vacation image from trip to Paradise Island with cocktails, drinking, selfie on the beach. I choose this prompt simply because it's a Instagram story. So on the story you share where you are, where you were, what you're doing, how did you enjoy it, right? So this is why I was thinking, okay, I'm on vacation, I'm drinking cocktails, I'm chilling, and this is why you essentially can get this type of image. Down over here and you can simply click on the actual animation and click generate again. Now with this particular tool, things might look a little more cooler, because the other one looked like a stock image, so I didn't like it quite much. On the previous case studies we did with Magic Media, it worked amazing. So now we're talking over here, guys. Look at this. You can drag the edges so you can make the image larger, right? It's amazing. Now we're talking. This is like a comics character, guys. It's so cool, right? You got the cocktails, you got vacation, you got the couple, you got the like an island or like a pool, like a beach chair. This is what I meant by saying creating a content out of scratch with particular theme or topic. And if you post this on your Instagram story, I guarantee you will get a lot of interactions, a lot of engagement. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.